Freshman year of high school, I had awful migraines. They would last from 2 to 10 days. I was told by 2 neurologists that they were unable to assist me since no medication helped. My mom looked into alternative therapies where we discovered acupuncture, adjustments, and neurofeedback were the only things that saved my life. However, these treatments were quite costly and not covered by insurance. Since everyone will have health issues at some point and need medical care, this issue is significant to everyone. I have visited several treatment clinics as a patient and have found them to be very beneficial because alternative therapies can help prevent and treat a wide spread of medical illnesses and sometimes outperform medicines. I will convince you today they should be covered by insurance. I'll start by talking about the issue and then go to the reasoning. Third, I'll discuss how insurance coverage of alternative therapies may be achieved. Although many alternative therapies are highly effective in treating a variety of medical conditions, individuals typically cannot afford them since insurance does not cover them. Doctors are promoting surgery or drugs that are more harmful. Medication can be bad for a number of reasons. Side effects can be caused. All drugs come with side effects. Many are minor, like upset stomach or itching. Others are like internal bleeding, hospitalization, or even death. According to a paper in the WebMD written by Jim Morrell, in March of 2024, Rapitiva, a common psoriasis drug, was proven to cause brain infection until it was taken off the market. Incorrect dosage or drug interactions are examples of pharmaceutical mistakes. Some don't work for patients. For example, I was prescribed every medication on the market for migraines and none worked. Complementary therapies like acupuncture, adjustments, and massage before and after major surgeries have been proven to be effective. Massage can help before by relaxing muscles and reducing stress, while after the surgery it can reduce pain or scar tissue and muscle tension. 70% of cancer patients in a study led by Dr. Andrea Belevis Prio in 2023 for the publication Cancer Therapy Advisor admitted to using CAM therapy as a part of their cancer program. Acupuncture, for example, has been known to help cancer patients by reducing anxiety, fatigue, and vomiting. While some health plan cares include acupuncture, many don't. Studies have shown that neurofeedback can significantly reduce the frequency and severity of migraines. In a controlled clinic by Jonathan Walker in January of 2011, which was published in PubMed, proven that neurofeedback migraines stopped in 50% of the group, while the other 39 experienced a reduction in frequency of greater than 90%. I don't need these statistics because I experienced better results myself. In addition, the cost of CAM can vary depending on the therapy and the length of session, but they are considered expensive and many people cannot afford. The National Clinic for Complementary and Integrative Health published a study in 2016 that reported Americans spent $30.2 billion for adults and $1.9 billion for children for out-of-pocket CAM. During my struggle with migraines, my parents spent thousands of dollars that did not cover insurance. Insurance does not cover the cost of alternative therapies for a variety of reasons, including that they have not been proven effective and that they are expensive. Now that I've discussed the problems, I will talk about the causes. There is insufficient evidence to support some forms of alternative medicine because of poor controls, inconsistency of treatment, and lack of comparison. For example, herbal products and supplements aren't regulated by the FDA, so they vary between batches. Furthermore, insurance companies may argue that alternative therapies are too costly to cover. Alternative therapies are personalized for each patient, which is not in line with insurance billing. Integrative medicine requires time-intensive, well-researched expert care that does not fit in the business model of a primary care clinic. While one patient can take an hour in CAM environment, conventional doctors are only forced to limit their time to 15 minutes per patient. A paper published in PubMed Central in 2007 described that the average visit was 15.7 minutes, covering a median of 6 topics. About 5 minutes spent on the longest topic with only 1.1 on the other. I've already talked about the problem and causes of why alternative medicine is not covered. And now we'll discuss the solutions, which include more research of CAM therapies and feedback from patients requesting CAM therapies so insurance can see. While insurance companies are heavily invested in the conventional model of surgery and medication, they are complementary therapies, but more research needs to be done. We need dedicated funding from the government, agencies, and private foundations, as well as interactives for pharmaceutical companies to investigate potential applications for CAM therapies. Collaboration with medical institutes and research centers will create accurate trials that will produce literature in medical journals. Today, I persuaded the complementary medicine should be covered by insurance. First, I discussed the problems, then the causes, and then provided some solutions. Alternative therapies, specifically acupuncture, adjustments, and neurofeedback, have helped me recover from migraines. If my insurance had covered these therapies, I would have pursued them instead of wasting my time on medication that did not work for me and wouldn't have struggled as long. I think that everyone should have the opportunity to practice CAM. Medicine is changing, so people's desire to take control of their healthcare. If more people consult their physicians requesting alternative therapies, then it can persuade clinics and providers to demand from insurance companies. For more information on the subject, you can read the book titled Alternative Medicine, written by Edward Enders. Thank you.